Hello, dear children of class 3, and welcome to yet another online class of general knowledge. Dear children, as you know, from next week onwards, you are going to have your unit test, and I'm sure you have started preparing also. Now, dear children, please remember that you all will have to attempt GK test compulsorily. Don't leave it. Okay. Now, secondly, your syllabus. Dear children, your syllabus is chapter 1 to 10. Okay, chapter 1 to 10. Now it may sound a little too much, but actually it is not. You see, there are very few exercises within the chapter and few exercises in quiz time, which I'm sure you can cover very easily and very quickly. And plus, for your help, I am making this video which will help you go through every chapter. But for better knowledge, I suggest you go through the videos given previously. So your first lesson is number 1, our national flag. Okay, in national flag you have to remember that it has 3 color bands: saffron, white and green. Okay, saffron color stands for strength and courage, white color stands for harmony, peace and truth, and green color stands for growth and prosperity. In middle there is a navy blue Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes. Okay, 24 spokes, and these 24 spokes stands for 24 hours of a day. Okay, and then you have quiz time. In our national flag, the saffron color stands for number 1 courage, number B life, and number C peace. Your answer is courage. Number 2, the green color in our national flag stands for number A truth, number B growth, number C strength. Your answer is growth. And number 3, the white color in our national flag stands for number A happiness, number B courage, and number C peace. Your answer is number C peace. So there is a small fill in the blanks. Number 1, our national dash is the symbol of our country, flag. Okay, flag. And number 2, our national flag has dash equal bands of colors. Answer is 3. Then you have some road safety rules. Remember, dear children, from here you will be learning about, you will have to write about road safety. Like, we should not run on road, we should not cross the road between standing vehicles, we should not ride bicycle with our hands free, we should not play on the road, we should always walk on the footpath, and we should always cross the road on zebra crossing when the pedestrian light is green. Okay, then coming to chapter 3, important days. Number 1, when is Teachers Day celebrated? Your options are number A 4th September, number B 5th August, and number C 5th September. Your answer is number C 5th September. Number 2, whom do we honor on this day? Number A, our teachers, number B, our parents, and number C, our neighbors. Your answer is our teachers. Number 3, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day? Number A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, number B, Dr. Bose, and number C, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Your answer is number C, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, where S stands for Sarvapalli. And number 4, why is his birthday celebrated as Teachers Day? Number A, he wanted to honor teachers. Number B, he was a teacher. And number C, both A and B. Your answer will be number C, both A and B. Then coming to the next one, when is Children's Day celebrated? Your options are 15th November, 14th November, and 16th November. And your correct answer is 14th November. Then number 6, who are made to feel important on this day? Your options are friends, children, and parents. And your correct answer is children. Number 7, whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, and Amitabh Bachchan. And your answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Why is his birthday celebrated as Children's Day? Number A, children loved him. Number B, he loved children. Number C, both A and B. Your answer is both A and B. And please remember, children happily called him Chacha. Hence his name is also Chacha Nehru. Now coming to the next, beautiful birds. Okay, beautiful birds. Number 1, it is the most common bird. It can fly up to 149 km per hour. In ancient time, it was used to carry messages. Your answer is pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Number 2, it is a colorful and talking bird. It is the largest of all parrots. It can even break a coconut with its strong beak. Your answer is macaw, M-A-C-A-W, macaw. Number 3, It is the flightless bird. It is the largest, tallest, and heaviest bird in the world. It is the only bird that willingly takes care of other females' eggs. Your answer is ostrich. 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 Number 4. This flightless bird is known to be the only bird to have external nostrils at the tip of its long beak. Your answer is kiwi. 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 Then you have next one. It bores holes into the trees with the help of its strong beak. Your answer is woodpecker. Woodpecker. And number 6. It is the smallest bird in the world. It is the only bird that can fly backwards. Your answer is hummingbird. 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 And last one. This is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly. Your answer is penguin. Penguin. Then you have different dance forms. You'll have to learn the name of different dance forms. Like you have salsa, you have hip hop, okay, you have tap dance, you have flamenco, you have break dance. All right, name of the few dances you'll have to learn. Then coming to different types of festivals, that is festivals of India. Okay, you have a spring festival celebrated in Mizoram in March after the clearing of the forest. Okay, the dance associated with this festival is Cherao dance. Okay, and this particular festival is known as Chapchar Kut. Chapchar Kut. Then you have the state festival of Bihar. It is celebrated during the month of November. It honors the sun god, and this particular festival is known as Chhat Puja. Then you have number 3, annual harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. Okay. Then it boat race and Pulikali, that is tiger dance, are associated with this. This particular festival is known as Onam. Then you have number 4, during Navratri, 9-day celebration is held in Telangana. It is a floral festival. Okay, goddess Mahagauri is celebrated here, and it starts from Mahalaya and goes till Durgashtami. This particular festival is known as Bathukamma. Okay, Bathukamma. Then you have the state festival of Maharashtra, where Lord Ganesha himself is worshipped. It's a very glorious festival held for a long time. This particular festival is known as Ganesh Chaturthi. And then you have the festival of Rajasthan, where goddess Gauri is worshipped. Okay, it is celebrated one day after Holi, and it's supposed to bring good luck to the newlyweds. Okay, and this particular festival is known as Gangaur Puja. And then you have a quiz time here. Let's cover the quiz time also. Okay, which of these festivals is celebrated in Nagaland? Maghi Purnima, Bathukamma, and Sekrini. Your answer is number C, Sekrini. Sekrenyi, Sekrini. And number 2, which of these festival is celebrated in Karnataka? Mysore Dashera, Bathukamma, and Maghi Purnima. Your answer is Mysore Dashera. Then you have chapter 7, sobriquets. Okay, that is the common name. Like, what is Amritsar known as? You have Steel City, City of Golden Temple, and Lake City. Your correct answer is City of Golden Temple. Then you have Jaipur. For Jaipur, there is Pink City, Silver City, and Gateway of India. Your correct answer is Pink City. Number 3, Bengaluru. You have Garden City of India, Pink City, and Silver City. Your answer is Garden City of India. And then you have Mumbai, Spice Garden of India, City of Palaces, and Gateway of India. Your correct answer is Gateway of India. So these are few of the names given to the cities. Then coming to the universe. This one you will learn in the style. It is given in the form of crossword, but you learn it in the form of name the following. Like you have third largest planet, that's Uranus. Number 2, the hottest planet, Venus. Number 3, the blue planet, of course, Earth. Then you have number 4, the largest planet Jupiter. Number 5, the coldest and farthest planet, of course, Neptune. The smallest planet, Mercury. The red planet, Mars. And the sixth planet from the sun, that's Saturn. Not Saturn, okay? Saturn. Then coming to chapter 9, our national anthem. Dear children, Janagana Mana is the national anthem of our country. It was written by Sri Rabindranath Tagore. Sri Rabindranath Tagore. It is sung on every special national occasion. But one thing you have to remember, there has to be a correct code of conduct during national anthem. That is, one code of conduct is that whenever the national anthem is sung, we must stand straight. Now here is a quiz time. I'll help you with the quiz time also. Who wrote the national anthem? Your options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore and Mahatma Gandhi. Your correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Number 2, how much time do we take to sing the national anthem? Your options are 50 seconds, 52 seconds, 54 seconds. Your correct answer is 52 seconds. Number 3, when was Janagana Mana adopted as our national anthem? You have 26 January 1950, 24th January 1950 and 15 August 1947. Your correct answer is 24 January 1950. 24 January 1950. Then in which language was our national anthem originally written? Your options are Hindi, Sanskrit and Bengali. Your correct answer is Bengali. And what message is conveyed by our national anthem to the people all around the world? You have unity in number A, unity in diversity. Number B, unity in a definite region. And number C, no unity in any region. Your correct answer is unity in diversity. And now coming to inventions. Okay, who invented computer? Charles Babbage. Charles, Charles, Babbage. Babbage. Number 2, who invented aeroplane? Your answer is Wright brothers. Wrigst, Wright, Brotthers, brothers. Remember, there were 2 Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. Number 3, who invented stethoscope? Your answer is Rene Laennec. R-E-N-E, Rene, L-A-E-N-N-E-C, Laennec. Number 4, who invented telephone? You have Alexander G. Bell, also known as Alexander Graham Bell. And number 5, who invented television? You have John L. Baird. Your answer is John L. Baird only, and the L here stands for Logie, L-O-G-I-E. Okay. So please go through this video and go through other previous videos also. Okay. Keep your exercises and quiz times completed, because that's what's going to come from these 10 chapters. Thank you very much. Stay safe.